Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to the video. And in this video I am going to tell you that how you can optimize the stuttering problem of the Warzone. So let's get started and let's discuss about it. All right, can you see that the stuttering issue? Just keep an eye over the frame time graph, especially on my left side. So it's stuttering, and its gameplay is not smooth as it should be. And also I'm recording, but that should be not be a problem. Okay, I just checked it while I'm not recording. I get like couple of frames extra, but the stuttering problem is there as well while I'm not recording. So this is the problem. As you can see, just keep.
Rub some dirt on it, you will live. I'm good.
The game is not smooth as it should be. You know? No. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. On the left side. Top left side.
No, not me!
Ultra One, be advised you are approaching the target.
Semtex out! I'm hit!
Wait.
Fire in the hole! Taking effective fire! I'm good. Let's do this. Throwing cover! off the floor.
Shit, we are done. All right, guys. The solution is let me clear this. I'm using a decent build and I'm using like Ryzen 5 2600, and it's paired with the GTX 1660 Super. It's with the 16 gigs of RAM, 3200 megahertz, Cross and Vengeance CL16. So I have the decent combo along with the A320 motherboard. The temperatures are very good, so there is not problem with any kind of my setup. So I know lots of other people are also facing this issue. I'm now going to discuss about the what is the solution and how we can get the smoother frame rate. So let's go to the solution. All right, guys, the solution is very simple. You just need to open a Steam and just download a Steam version of Modern Warfare 2 or the Warzone basically, and that will fix a lot of things. I will show you that as well, and I will compare that on a side by side way that you can see the details. And so specifically I'm using the Battle.net version as well, and I'm using the Steam version as well, and also I'm using the same account in both platforms, on the Steam as well and on the Battle.net as well. So let me know if you want to know that how you can transfer your Battle.net directly to the Steam, especially Battle.net Activision account to the Steam. May that you should not lose any of the progress. Let me get to the Steam version and let me show you the gameplay. Alright, I'm inside my Steam version of the game, and let's go to the DMZ again, and let's see how it compares to the original one, the Battle.net version. So as we died in the previous game, so our insured weapon is not available. Let's go to, okay, I'm using the, alright, as the first thing you will notice, and that is that it's a very smooth line of the frame rate, especially while we are in the menu. So this is the first thing that I can notice, especially in the Steam version. On the Battle.net version, we can often notice stutteriness, especially in the menu as well, or in the lobby, you may say.
Welcome to Al Mazrah. Explore, secure intel, and loot to gain access to new missions. Enemy threat is high, so expect contact.
Alright, guys, keep eye on the left side. As you can see, the frame rate is much smoother as compared to my last gameplay. So first keep in mind, in this video my graphical settings are similar, both are similar.
Enemy presence will be
What the heck?
Take cover! I'm hit!
Ultra One, activity is increasing near your location. Stay alert.
Contact!
I need you back in the fight.
We all are dead. Anyway, guys, you got the point. So we took a very hard fight over here. So you got the point, and I will put the side by side gameplay, and let me know if I had to make a more detailed video on it. Let me clear this. My graphical setting in both games are same. So if I need to make a detailed video on it, just let me know in the comments down below, and also let me know about that if this stuttering problem is fixed for you. So just use the comment section. So let's see you in the next video.
Welcome to Al Mazrah. Explore, secure intel, and loot to gain access to new missions. Enemy threat is high, so expect contact.